Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide comments on TikTok. First, navigate to your profile. Click the bottom right profile icon to head to your profile. There you'll be able to see all the videos you've posted. Then, choose your options. Click the three lines icon on the right underneath the comment button. Scroll all the way to the right and click on Privacy Settings in the Settings section. Then, tap on Comments. Under Privacy, you'll see 4 choices. You can decide who can watch the video and if comments, duets, and stitches are allowed. If you don't want anyone to comment on your TikTok video, tap the toggle icon to turn comments off. If you decide that you don't want anyone at all ever commenting on any of your TikTok videos, or if you want to only allow comments from friends on any of your TikTok videos, you can make these choices at the profile level too. Choose that and you'll be taken to a list of global settings that you can tweak for all your future videos. You can set it so everyone, just friends, or no one can comment on your videos. You can also create individual word filters, make it so comments don't post until you approve them, and have TikTok automatically scan for spammy or offensive comments. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.